Hello, Karina again. Welcome back to my network marketing system. Before anything else, I would like to congratulate you for being here, for taking the next step, for taking action. Listen, if you don't take action, nothing else is going to happen. In the next series of emails, you're going to start getting free video tutorials, marketing strategies, tips, sources that are going to help you to put your income and your money and your business in a next new level. You should be making minimum a 5-figure income in the next 90 days if you follow this process. What you're going to learn here is how to start creating more traffic to your website. You are going to learn how to make this traffic and create leads. You are going to learn how the best of the best position their businesses in order to start creating these 5, 6, 7-figure incomes. You are going to learn something that is really crucial. You are going to learn how to position yourself and how to be different from everybody else. One important thing is, people don't join businesses. People join you. People want to see who can help them. People want to see another person like them that can be together in the journey. So you're going to learn how to position yourself. You're going to learn how to start profiting from your leads. Not once, but many times, even if they don't join your business. You are going to learn a whole new way of marketing strategies, many of those free, some of those paid. You are going to have a plan, a step-by-step plan, that is going to allow you to put every piece together to make your business a lot greater and to put your income and business in a whole new level today. So welcome back, take advantage of it, check your emails, check that you are getting them, because this is the way that you are going to get all this training. In the next page, I want to introduce to you to one of my mentors, which has been the creator of this amazing system. So don't wait anymore, check your email, and start getting the videos now. Check for yourself if this training can help you. It has helped me, and I hope it does the same for you.